Hi, this is History Literacy Ready, Unit 1, Lesson 9, Taking History Exams. In this lesson, students are going to generate their own exam reviews. They're going to practice asking and answering good questions. They're going to use group testing to understand history concepts. And they're going to evaluate their own exam performance. So what do you need to know? First of all, there is a similar procedure for this kind of study in the science unit. And so the first time they engage in this process should make it easier for the second time. If they have already engaged in the science unit, Unit 1 Science, then this should be a lot easier for them than if they haven't done so, and vice versa. If they are doing this for the first time, then when they get to the science unit, it will be easier for them. They're learning two techniques for studying. One is a talk-through, one is reciprocal questioning, and you should read about both of those. They will need some modeling and guided practice, especially if they haven't previously used these techniques. So you're going to have to model what a talk-through is. You're going to have to go through a talk-through of a particular term, share all your thinking with them, and then you're going to have them do some group practice, some guided practice. That is, you're going to have maybe pairs of students talk through a particular term and share how that works. And before you actually have students do it on their own, the same for reciprocal questioning. Once they get through those, they kind of know how those are, they're going to be asked to ask some questions. And the guidelines for creating questions are in the history lesson. There are some history-specific guidelines. In other words, there are some guidelines here that wouldn't be used in a science class, and so you want to make sure that you read through these and highlight those because they won't be repeated the next time they do it if they're going to do it in science, or they won't have had them if they've already done the science test preparation. That's really all you need to know for this particular lesson. Most of what you have to teach is in the teacher's guidelines and in the student academic notebook. Should be fairly clear. So I hope this helps, and I hope that you have a successful test preparation with students.